Did I put that brush up? Of course I did. If I'm being honest with you. You know what I'm saying? I don't know Charity got the vocals. Okay.
I'ma test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video today. You know what I'm saying? It's episode of MATIC Monday, you dig? Y'all know I just be going in and out with MATIC Monday. Like, I don't do it every Monday anymore. Just because I don't want to. I don't want to have to make up an excuse for that. I just don't be wanting to do it every Monday because sometimes I just don't feel it. Sometimes, you know, I really can't think of the look I want to create. I don't be feeling inspired. Come Sunday, come Monday, come Saturday, okay? Because that's when I film it. Sometimes I'm just not here for it, you know? So yes, however, I'm here for it today. It's dramatic for a everyday makeup type of wear, you know? You're not just about to put some glitter on and walk out the house, you know, to go to Walmart or go to run some errands or whatever. Well, it depends on who you are. For some of you, for most people, this is dramatic, but for a makeup junkie and a makeup lover or a creative who's just artsy, this probably is not as dramatic to you as it is for most people. The average person, no. So yes, I just did a glitter moment because I don't do a lot of glitter. Honestly, I don't do glitter a lot. And I just wanted to keep it basic, but I wanted the eyes to pop and really stand out. I just wanted to use one little glitter, you know what I'm saying? So yes, if you're interested in today's episode of MATIC Monday, just keep on watching. Okay, I did one off camera, and because I'm using glitter, I just decided not to do, you know, foundation all that first, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go in with my Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer, you know. This is a NYX number 31 brush that I'm using to pat this concealer in with. This eye look is honestly very simple. The only thing is, I just don't know if it's showing up good enough on camera. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter powder and just pat it in. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to set my eye with it. This is a Morphe M504 brush that I'm using to set with. I'm literally taking Idolize and Fresca. You got Idolize and this is Fresca. I hope y'all can see her because I don't know what's up with my hand-eye coordination. This is a Morphe M513 brush that I'm using as a quick transition shade. And I'm going in with Fresca. And I'm just going right where I put that transition shade. Now I'm taking blank canvas. I'm literally, you know, putting that on the lid where I plan on putting the glitter. Taking that, and this is a little double-ended Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. The little brushes that come in their palettes. And before I lay down the glitter, I'm going in with my NYX glitter glue. And I'm taking my MAC glitter. It's in a tester jar, so I'll put like the real one on the screen if I can find it. If I can't find like an actual image of it, I'll put just the shade name with the glitter name. Okay, I made the rookie mistake of doing my liner before, not before, but after glitter. Don't do that. I mean, it works and you could do it. It's just going to be a lot harder, but you want to save yourself the trouble and the time and just do it before you do glitter. I already primed with my NYX Honey Do Me Up, and for foundation I'm taking my NARS and MAC foundation. The MAC is in NC60, the NARS is in Macau, and this is my NYX number 3 brush. You know what I'm saying? My favorite foundation brush. The OG Jackie Aina put me onto this brush. I believe this is the same one that she used. So when I was working at NYX, I literally made it my business to get this brush. It's so much glitter still on my face that it's crazy. Going in with my crayon case highlighter concealer. This is in the shade number 13. Taking my NYX number 31 brush, and that's what I'm going to, you know, do most of the blending with. And I take it under my eyes and around my mouth because those are, you know, the darker areas of my face. You know, like especially right here in the corner. It's really just in the corners right here. And this is a NYX number 5 brush that I'm using to blend the rest of it out. This is working like a dream. This brush blends this concealer out really, really beautifully. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, to brighten, because you know your girl gotta be bright, so I'm going in with my Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer. This is in the shade Honey. I'm only going to take this like just a little bit, you know. I'm only going to use a little bit because this concealer like really spreads, honey. This concealer is full coverage. You do not even need a lot, okay? Like, I promise you don't. I promise you don't. Okay? I'm gonna use that same brush, to be honest, since it did such a good job at blending out the other concealer. Yes, ma'am. Like, look at this. I love this. Just became my favorite brush. Honestly. Will you? You know what I'm saying? I know Charity got the vocals. Don't sleep on Charity vocals, on vocal cords. Please don't do that. Do not make the mistake of doing that. Because my family do it every day. And it just be so crazy to me. To set, I'm taking my same, you know what I'm saying, Fenty powder, okay? You know what I'm saying? We just gonna set this bad boy in. Like that right there. Ain't even that hard, player. Ain't that hard. Just pat that thing in like that. Press it in, you dig? Like so, like that, you dig? Real simple. Real simple, like. I don't know what I'm talking about, honestly. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm literally rambling. I'm saying I'm gonna go in with my NYX No Filter powder. This is in the shade Deep Golden, and this is what I'm using on the rest of my face. You know what I'm saying? There's something in my eye, and I hate that. Like, I hate when stuff get in my eye while I'm doing my makeup. It's just too much. I'm going in with my Black Radiance palettes. You know, ever since I started using it again, it's just, you know what I'm saying? Back making an appearance, you know what I'm saying? Because the shade is so beautiful. It's such a pretty bronzer. And it's so pigmented. So, I don't know if you don't got it, if you're interested in it. You know what I'm saying? Beware. It is very pigmented. A little does go a long way, even though I'm packing it on. But I'm doing that because I'm a bronzer maniac. I absolutely love bronzer. Like, I love bronzer. It's just the warmth of it all, okay? Like, it's just perfect to me. So I'm taking an oldie but still a goodie. This is actually a greatie, and that's not even a word. But I'm going in with Humor Me from MAC. Okay, y'all know I used to use this blush faithfully in my routine, okay? Like, I could not do my makeup without using this blush. Like, y'all know that. Like, well, whoever, you know what I'm saying, that been watching me for a long period of time know that this was like my go-to. like my all-time go-to, you know. It's a very natural blush, you know what I'm saying? So if any of you are my complexion and you want to get in the blush but you're hesitant because you just don't know about color, try Humor Me from MAC. I hope they still have it, because MAC, honestly, MAC always discontinue and stuff, so I really wouldn't know. I'm going in with my Dragon Beauty Transformation Power, you know what I'm saying? About to level up this under eye, you know. About to just level it up a bit, take it up a few notches, you know. Under these cheekbones, cut that sucker like that right there. You know what I'm saying? Just something slight. I'm going with my Englola highlighter. This is from the Crown Case, by the way. You know what I'm saying? Just go above my cheeks. Put it above this brow bone. You know? This sucker pop, you dig? Put it on the tip of my nose right there, you know? Put it right there in the middle, but right there in the middle only. You know what I'm saying? Taking my lashes in this shade, in the style White Gold from Ty & Co. Y'all know the deal. I'm gonna do these off camera. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. And I did my under eye. All I did was put mascara in my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. I literally be using it a lot now. I did it because I was in a rush. I had to go eat. But now I'm back for lips. And for lips, I'm going in with my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Pitch. And then I'm going to go on top of that with my NYX lip pencil in the shade Brooklyn Thorn. Then I'm taking a NYX Lingerie Gloss in the shade Sable. And then on top of that, I'm going to go in with my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. I did a little ponytail braid moment, you know. She's cute. Yes, yes indeed, she's cute. Yeah, y'all, like always, I do my edges once I end this video. But yes, this is the completed look. Can y'all see the eyes real good? Like, I really hope this lighting is doing it justice, because I really can't tell if y'all can see the eyes. But yes, I hope y'all enjoyed the look, and I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you want to see from me on my channel, and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.